Some night latches will feature a double locking or deadlocking facility. As you can see, in normal operation, the latch bolt can be slipped into the latch case. However, as well as the normal functionality of the key retracting the latch, the key can also be used to double lock or deadlock this night latch. When in this mode, the latch cannot be slipped back into the lock case. Also, the internal handle will no longer retract the latch bolt. It's fixed in position. This helps prevent against manipulation through a letterbox or the slipping of a latch. Double locking or deadlocking facility can be removed again using the key. And normal functionality has been returned.